I'm gonna show you how I make my Michelada mix. If you're from Texas, you know what I'm talking about. Just get you some salt, Worcester sauce. You want some limes. You can squeeze you some fresh ones, but I got a little lazy. I got some olives with blue cheese, some sweet and spicy pickles, and some regular pickles. You can use any pickles or whatever you want. And Tabasco sauce. And I got my Clamato mix right here. So I'm gonna show you what I do. And on the back, it gives you instructions on how to make it, but I make mine a little differently. I couldn't find no tahine. I usually use tahine instead of salt, but I couldn't find no tahine today. So you just shake this up really well and just get you a separate container and pour it in a container. As you can see, I put 32 ounces of the Clamato, and right here, I got right at 4 ounces of the Worcester sauce. And once you pour that in there, we're gonna get the next is some lime. So we're gonna pour about 8 ounces right here, 8 ounces of lime juice. And you can add a little bit more or less, but this works for me. And we're gonna take some Tabasco sauce. I'm gonna use about an ounce of Tabasco sauce. If you want it spicier, just put the whole thing in there. And we're gonna cut up some pickles. You see we got our sweet and spicy pickles right there. So I just sliced me a few of them up and put them in my mix. And I like the crunch of the pickles when I'm eating. And then you got the olives. And this right here got blue cheese in it. I usually put the ones with the garlic in it, but they didn't have that either. So you see I'm putting about a teaspoon of salt and just put the top on and shake it up well. And that's it. Then you just get your glass, put your some tahine around the rim or salt, and you can pour your cold beer. But I'm on my fast and I'll be done in about 4 days. And I'll put me a cold beer in here. So let's try this out and see what it tastes like. So I'll make sure I get me some pickles in there. I couldn't find no tahine. I usually put tahine in it and put it around the rim with lime. And this right here, I just drink this straight right here. Or you could pour you a cold beer, like a Modelo in this. It's great. So I got about 4 more days before I finish my fasting. Then I'll be able to drink this with a cold beer. But let's try this out, see what it tastes like. Wow. Hey, this got the right amount of seasoning. Don't need nothing else. No more salt, no more lime, nothing. So I'm gonna drink this down, and I got some pickles in here. Wow, this is awesome.